Welcome to the 41st lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. In this lesson, the main focus is on creating the cuff of Batwing sleeves. We are using the method of converting structure to create the cuff of Batwing sleeves. Start by going to General Info. Set the panel structure to 2, then set the density and tension for the cuff structure. Return to Knit Spec. Add the necessary nodes. Then, set the relevant dimensions. Right-click on the relevant node. Convert structure used to the cuff structure set. Then, adjust the knitting rules. We can export to SmartGraph to see the result. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.